Good evening, my lovely grandchildren. Welcome to episode 10 of Bedtime Books with Pops. Tonight we're going to read Three Grumpy Trucks by Todd Tarpley and illustrated by Guy Parker Reese. So, Three Grumpy Trucks. Across the sandbox, down the slide, through the sprinkler, side by side. Three little trucks were scooping, shifting, grading, grinding, loading, and lifting. Look at all that fun stuff they're doing at the playground. Woo, 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 woo. Romp, 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 romp. Grind, grind, grind. I see a blue truck. I see a yellow truck. Where's the red truck? Point out to me. You're right there. There's the red one. Hours later, bright sun beating, three tired engines overheating, fire gauges running low. Oh, fuel gauges running low. Okay, little trucks, it's time to... No! We're still digging. We're still lifting. We're still grinding. We're still shifting. 5 more minutes, let us stay. Okay. Please let us stay. Okay. And off they go to play for a little bit longer, for 5 more minutes. Romp, romp, chomp, grind. Make sure you got your ear protection on. Always follow your PPE. Make sure you're staying safe. Hoses hissing, warnings beeping, red lights flashing, fluid seeping, fuses now about to blow. Little trucks, it's time to... No! We must keep digging, we must keep lifting, must keep scooping, must keep shifting, tires smoking, engines glowing, must keep going. Wow. You're standing the ground. Please, little trucks, it's time to go. Your temp's too high, your fuel's too low. Your windshield fluids are smelling strange. I think you need a wiper change. That was for mom and dad's. Okay, we know. 1 more minute, then we'll go. What do you think? Think I'm ready to go after 1 minute? I don't think so, but let's see what happens. 1 more minute, that's our plan. Everybody understand? Grind. Whoop, 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 grind. Engine smoking, motors failing, tailpipes clanging, rotors flailing, rocking wildly to and fro. Little trucks, it's time to... Uh-oh. They made an awful screeching sound. They banged their bumpers on the ground. They stomped, they whomped, they sparked, they spit, they honked, they bonked. They threw a fit. They didn't want to go. What could she say? What could she do to calm them down, to save the day? Oh, look, she's giving him a hug. She soothed the little truck's alarms, then gathered them into her arms. Their undersides were caked in oil, their bumpers dark with soot and soil. She towed them home, still in a daze, and set them in their engine bays. Their spark plugs charged, their tires exchanged, their windshields washed, their wipers changed. Their bumpers polished up, and then 3 little trucks whirled again. Look, where are they now? They're dreaming that they're on the moon. great adventure for these 3 little trucks. Okay, you guys, love you. Don't forget to pray tonight.